DIY enthusiast who's created a 100-grand yacht for peanuts.
Hi.
Hiyo, permission to come aboard? Hi, Fergal. A new 35-foot cruiser would set you back around £130,000. But Fergal has created his own for less than £7,000. This stylish cruiser sleeps 4 people comfortably and is complete with all the home comforts. Oh my! And Fergal's secret to success? He salvaged an abandoned sunken wreck from the marina.
It was down for about 7 weeks before the salvage.
So under the water?
Yeah.
It must have been completely ruined.
It was, yeah.
The marina allowed Fergal to take the boat after he paid the outstanding mooring fees of €2,500 from the previous owner who'd abandoned it. Once on dry land, he got busy, doing all the structural and mechanical work by himself. So you had a fiberglass shell,
Yeah,
and the engine,
yeah,
and that was it?
yeah. I virtually started from scratch. Everything I learned from the internet. Once I knew what I wanted, I just tapped away in it.
I think you've done an amazing job,
Thank
you really do. It cost Fergal just under £2,000 to reclaim the boat. Electronics were just over £1,000. And DIY materials, appliances and furnishings were around £3,000. The grand total? £6,250, based on the exchange rate when Fergal got the boat back in April 2016.
Right?
I'll have a go, absolutely. Right, which way are we going?
Straight down.
Straight on,
Yeah.
okay. When you've got a little bit of sunshine here, there's nowhere finer. Fergal's dream boat is also wheelchair accessible for both his son Kyle, who has cerebral palsy,
I'm a brilliant pianist, aren't I?
and his wife Lynn, who suffers from MS.
The boat is the dream come true for the family, so he's made this dream come true.
You've built your own boat, you've done it for under 10k, and really you've changed your life, haven't you, for you and your family?
It could be 2 holidays for somebody to go away to Spain and somebody to spend that. Whereas I've just the rest of my life, it's there. Every weekend we go on holidays. It's great.
Fergal, through sheer hard work, has made a dream come true for his family.